Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Techie Path. Today we will install MySQL. So to install MySQL, first we need to open our browser. Here I am using Chrome browser. In the search bar you have to type MySQL installer, then search, then you have to press enter, and you will get this download MySQL installer. Click on this link and you will be redirected to this page. Here two files will be available. For you can select your operating system, select operating system and Microsoft Windows. I'm using Microsoft Windows, so I'm selecting this, and after that you can check the size of these files and you have to select the greater one. So the second file I will select, and that will be fine for 86 bit or 32 bit. I'm selecting the second file and I will click on download. Now in this page you can create an account, or you can just keep clicking no thanks, just start my download, and it will automatically start to download the file. Please ignore this file, this is my previous one. I am installing this file, this .msi file. It will take some time. So my file is already downloaded. I will click on show in folder to just check the file, and I will double click on it to install the file. It is saying please wait, so you have to wait for some time, then you will get this pop up, and you have to give the access by clicking on yes. Again yes. Now in this tab you will get several setup, and for my case I am using custom. Most of the cases people click on custom because we want some particular thing that we want to install. Like in this tab we will get all this thing. From here we have to click on this plus button for MySQL server, then again click on plus, again click on plus, then the server. You have to move these two products to be installed. Then to do this, to do the thing, you have to click on this green button, green arrow. I'm clicking on it and it is moved. Again for MySQL connector, we don't need any connector. For application I need something like I need MySQL Workbench. So you have to select this MySQL Workbench. You need to click on this MySQL Workbench. The version, you will get the updated version only, so don't feel that I'm not installing perfectly if the value is changed, the version is changed. So click on this and then again click on green arrow and it is moved. And the final thing I need, that is a MySQL shell. These are the basic things that you need to understand the working of MySQL. These are the basic things. And then again select this MySQL shell and then click on green arrow. Finally, then next. So these are the things I want, and then I will click on execute. One by one each of the file will be executed or will be installed. Please wait patiently, it will take some time. Okay, so now execution is done and all the files are installed. Now I will click on next, then ready to configure. Okay, next. Here you can change things, but I will keep as it is, and I will click again on next. Here it is saying that use strong password, so I will use that also. I will create a new password. So here I will give or my password that I want to keep for MySQL. Yeah, that is strong. Then I will click on next. You can add any user you have if you want to give access to any user, but for my case I only use this MySQL, so I am clicking on next. Don't change anything, just click on next. Then these are the steps which will be executed, so simply just click on execute. One by one each of the steps will be executed, and once it is done all the buttons will be green. So now it is showing that the configuration operation has completed and finish. I will click on this, then next, then installation complete. Just click on finish. So this is the Workbench that we installed, and this is shell. I will close all this thing. Okay, so I can show one more thing, that if you want to create a project, you have to click on this local instance. I will double click on it and it will ask for the password. You have to give the password that you just created. So I'm giving the password. Okay, yeah, so the workspace is open. Now we can create a table and perform certain things on this workbench, but for now I am closing this file. You can run any file on this workbench. Okay, that's it, and I hope all of you can now install MySQL easily in your system. And once you successfully completed MySQL, please comment down below that you have installed and you are practicing it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon